Is it time to buy or sell Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3x Shares Exchange Traded Fund? In this video, we are diving deep into Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3x Shares. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 10th of April 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since April 9th, 2025, our system has identified Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3x Shares as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.65. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the ETF has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 22.95%. This results in an average return of 11.47% per day since it was marked as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund lies in the lower part of a very wide and robust rising trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $20.93 is breached, it will first indicate a slower rate of increase, but may also serve as an early warning for a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 42.01% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 16.79% to 164.95%. Considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -13.93%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -48.53% to 58.81% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $13.10 and $40.42. Our latest daily update for Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3x Shares includes the headline, High Volatility in Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3x Exchange Traded Fund Price on Thursday, which ended trading at $25.45. The Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3x Exchange Traded Fund price gained 22.95% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 10th of April, 2025, rising from $20.70 to $25.45. During the last trading day, the exchange-traded fund fluctuated 19.20%, from a day low at $23.17 to a day high of $27.62. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by 3.16% for this period. Volume fell on the last day by 35 million shares, and in total, 132 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.37 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may signal potential changes over the next couple of days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the exchange-traded fund was $53.43, and the lowest price was $16.35. Currently, the price is 52.37% or $27.98 below the 52-week high and 99.99% or $206,134.55 below the all-time high on December 26, 2018, when the price reached $206,160. The Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3x Shares Exchange Traded Fund, known as SOXS, is drawing attention as a leading inverse exchange traded fund amidst recent market fluctuations. Following Wall Street's worst week since the year 2000, SOXS experienced substantial gains as investors redirected their focus toward inverse and volatility strategies to protect against downturns. This shift to SOXS underscores its role in offering a counter-strategy for those pessimistic about the semiconductor sector. In short-term perspectives, the performance of SOXS is closely linked to market changes and investor sentiment regarding semiconductor stocks, especially in light of recent declines. As news of heightened market volatility circulates, SOXS may garner more investment from those aiming to profit from shorting the sector. However, caution is warranted in the long run. The inherent volatility of SOXS and the impact of volatility drag emphasize the importance of careful risk management strategies. Investors who choose SOXS must recognize that while it can offer swift returns, it also carries risks that could lead to significant losses if the semiconductor market unexpectedly rebounds. Overall, while SOXS provides opportunities for considerable short-term gains during market downturns, its long-term sustainability will rely on continuing market conditions and the strategic decisions made by investors. The following signals have been identified for Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3x shares. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning sign. It is advisable to monitor this exchange-traded fund closely. Several negative signals have been issued as well, and they may impact short-term developments. The Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3x ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook for the ETF. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $35.17 and $26.68. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 8th of April 2025, and thus far, the ETF has fallen by 45.87%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal from 3 days ago, short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 31 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 25 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3x shares. Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3x finds support from accumulated volume at $24.87. This level might present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant daily movement, indicated by high volatility. And it has a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, categorizing it as very high risk. Over the past day, the exchange-traded fund fluctuated $4.45 between its high and low, representing a change of 19.2%. In the past week, the daily average volatility of this fund has been 56.63%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3x shares. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3x shares is at $26.12. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3x shares encounters its first support level at $24.87. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop loss implemented. Is Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3x shares exchange-traded fund a good buy? The Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3x exchange-traded fund holds several negative signals, and despite a positive trend, we believe it will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative evaluation of this exchange-traded fund. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 11th of April, we expect Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3x shares to open lower by approximately 0.0366 and start trading at 25.41. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Do not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. From all of us here at Stock Invest.